Imagine your business as a ship sailing across the vast ocean. What's powering everything? What truly determines if you'll reach your destination or sink beneath the waves? It's your crew, the people who show up every day, who interact with your customers, who bring your vision to life. While most business owners obsess over their products and advertising, they ignore their most valuable asset, their team, to chance and hope. In 82% of small business failures, the hidden culprit was how they managed or mismanaged their people. You know that hollow feeling in your stomach when your star employee suddenly hands in their notice? Or the slow burning anxiety of keeping someone who's clearly wrong for your business because you can't afford another hiring process? For the average small business owner, these aren't just inconveniences, they are existential threats that keep you awake at 3 a.m. Large corporations have entire departments dedicated to getting HR right. They know something that most small business owners don't. Human resources isn't just paperwork, it's a science with proven formulas for success. When you opened your restaurant, hotel, or clinic, you brought your expertise in your field. But nobody taught you how to build and manage a team that would help your vision thrive. It's like being handed the keys to a sophisticated aircraft without flight training. You might get off the ground, but how long before something critical goes wrong? What if there was a co-pilot for your business? A system that turns the complexity of human resources into simple, actionable steps that virtually eliminate those costly people problems? Introducing the HR Checklist tool, your complete people management system designed specifically for businesses like yours. Think of it as converting decades of HR expertise into a simple format that works as naturally as checking items off your shopping list. Unlike generic corporate templates created for faceless organizations, our system gives you 14 powerful checklists crafted specifically for small businesses. 1. Find hidden talent gems with our acquisition checklist. Like using a metal detector that only beeps for gold. 2. Spot the perfect hire every time with our interview process checklist. It's like having a lie detector that reveals who people really are. Transform new hires into contributors in half the time with our onboarding checklist. 4. Keep your best people loyal with our retention checklist. Because finding a new employee costs 5 times more than keeping your current ones happy. 5. Extract valuable insights when someone leaves using our exit interview checklist, turning departures into improvement opportunities. 6. Transform workplace tension into productive energy with our conflict resolution checklist, like having a pressure release valve for your team. 7. Forge unbreakable team bonds with our team building checklist, creating the business equivalent of a championship sports team. 8. Ensure your business thrives beyond you with our succession planning checklist, planting the seeds for your legacy to grow. 9. Make every HR dollar generate returns with our budget planning checklist, turning expenses into investments. 10. Help your team continuously improve with our performance review checklist, providing the growth framework that keeps people engaged. 11. Build a workplace people brag about with our employee relations checklist, because word spreads fast in small communities. 12. Develop a talent pipeline with our recruitment strategy checklist, so you're never left scrambling when you need to hire. 13. Sleep soundly knowing you're protected with our HR compliance and audit checklist, your legal safety net. 14. Prevent disasters before they happen with our workplace safety and health checklist, because one accident can devastate everything you've built. You didn't start your business to become an HR expert. You started it because you're passionate about what you do. Our system lets you focus on that passion while ensuring the foundation, your team, is rock solid. Think of it as the difference between building on sand versus building on concrete. The structure might look the same at first, but when the storms come, and they always do, only one remains standing.